Hello and welcome to Timmy's 10 again for an unboxing of a brand new 2024 Hot Wheels. Today we have a new wheelie chair. It's red and white. Oh, it's red, white, and blue. Sweet. From Wheelz, Fotheringham. Pretty sure I'm saying that right. Fotheringham. It's from the Hot Wheels Extreme Sports Series, number 3 of 5. It has a special feature. And it's number 64 of 250 on the year. What is the special feature? It says some dude can hold on to it. But that never worked for me. Shred the gnar with a wild array of extreme rides. That's what the Extreme Sports Series is. I'm joined by my daughter, Julia. Hello, Jules.
Hello.
Getting ready to open up this cool... Oh, look at the autograph. Getting ready to open up this cool wheelie chair. Red, white, and blue.
Ooh.
They're a little hard to hold on to.
Hot Wheels makes what's it called? Wheelchairs?
Yeah.
I didn't know that.
See all the white around the rim there?
Yeah.
And this side's missing a piece.
Oh yeah.
All right. Whoa! Whoa, wheel that back to me.
Do we still do that line game?
Well, it's up there now, so. You can't see it. You gotta do it up here. There you go.
Oh.
Well, it rolls nice. That's what I like about this. I like the whole woohoo spinach.
That went into a wheelie.
Look in the camera so you know that it's staying in there. See where it is? Right here, you gotta do it.
Right there. Right here. Oh. I don't think that showed. Oh.
I wonder if it can rebound on my track. Let me see. Get that in there. Let's bring this back a little bit like that. There we go.
Oh. Hey, landed upside right.
Whoa! We'll stay on there. You try.
Oh.
That was awesome.
Okay.
This stinks.
Yeah.
But this is fun.
That is fun.
Ah.
I did it right this time.
Thanks everybody for tuning in and checking this out. Jules, thanks for playing with me. You can spin it around if you want. Well, it stays on a wheelie, huh?
Yeah, it does.
Please subscribe to Timmy's 10 again, and till next time.
T10
out.
Bye.